Hi, welcome back to this tutorial on Node.js and Express.js. Today I want to talk about how to store your passwords in a secure way. Um, and this is in Node.js or Express.js. This is realized with salting and hashing. So you have a password of some kind of way, and you add a random element, a random number to it. That's the salt, and then it gets transformed with a hashing algorithm. So you have and that gets stored. So on the one hand, you have your salt that is stored and the hashing. So um, never never store plain text passwords. This is very important. Yeah, I will show you today how to do that. So first of all, you will need the module crypto by Node.js or install npm install crypto. Um, this is the module that lets you generate salt, so a random number, a random value to add to your password, and also contains a hashing algorithm that will help you in yeah, changing your password so a hacker cannot re yeah get the password without really making it expensive and yeah time time costing for them. And here with this function random bytes with crypto random bytes, we have 16 random bytes, and we translate them from hex to string. um, we can then generate this random value, the salt, to add to our password before hashing it. So as a next, we define a function called hashing password, where we will use the crypto EPKDF2zinc algorithm to combine our password and the salt, and to run this algorithm 10,000 times and create a 62-byte hexadecimal string that will then be our hashed password. And then this can be stored in the database. So then if you want to register a user, we first make salt, and it returns salt, and then we hash the password using the password the user has input and the salt, and this will then be hashed with this PBKD2F2zinc algorithm. So then we can store the username, the hashed password, and the salt in the database, but keep in mind, never keep the plain text password in your database. So always hashed password and also the salt. So in case a user has two users have the same password, um, they have different salts, so they don't get mixed up. Yeah. Okay, so now we will hash the password with our stored salt. And so the password and the salt create a hash, and then we will compare the two hashes bit by bit and figure out whether or not this is the user can be verified. Yeah. So keep in mind, never store plain text passwords. Always at least hash them. Better it is to add salt to hash, so a random value, and store the hash and the salt in your database. And yeah, keep the hashing algorithm in mind.